Hello everyone, today we will study about Repertory of Miasms. Full name of the repertory is Chronic Miasms in Homeopathy and their cure with classification of their rubrics, symptoms in Kent's Repertory. It was published in the year 1996. All the rubrics of Kent's Repertory have been taken for the purpose of the classification, and each rubric is classified into miasms using 6 columns against the rubric marked on the top as follows. Like for Sora, it is represented by P, psychosis, SY, syphilis, SYP. Latent Sora, LT, P. For latent psychosis, it is LT, SY, and for latent syphilis, it is LT, SYP. Now the utility of this book: to know and find out which miasm is predominant, prominent, and supermorphed and serious. Now our next repertory is Repertorium Universale. It is the latest repertory authorized by or authored by Roger Van Jandervoort. It is published in the year 2003. It is an effort to include rubrics from Bernigsen works into Kantian structured repertory, that is, complete repertory. So this book is a combination of Bernigsen works and Kantian work. All the Bernigsen style rubrics contained in Repertorium Universale. 3 more sections have been introduced to the primary classification of the book. The 3 sections are head and circulation, blood, and clinical section, listing remedies associated with various conditions. More than double cross-reference have been included in the last edition, and this last edition is known as Millennium Edition of Complete Repertory. Now our next repertory is Bernigsen-Boger's Final General Repertory. The plan and construction, philosophy, and work methods of this book is same as that of BBCR. It has 36,647 editions. The objective of this book is to compile Bernigsen and Boger's work and form Bernigsen-Boger's Final General Repertory. The source of data is 12 books. So Bernigsen-Boger Final General Repertory was the combination of BBCR and BTPP, while the Repertorium Universale is a combination of Bernigsen work and Kantian work. Thank you.